Do you know you can get 10 gig of data for just 1,000 naira in Nigeria, whether you're using MTN or Airtel? In this video, I will teach how you can be able to get 10 gig of data for just 1,000 naira in Nigeria. I know they did not tell you, but I'm going to tell you. Good day, everyone. Welcome back to my channel or page. If you're watching on YouTube, thanks for coming. Subscribe to my channel if you have not. If you're watching on Facebook, follow me. If you're watching on TikTok, follow me also. So I will teach you how you can do this in not less than 2 minutes. Let's go. So if you're using MTN, for MTN you dial *312 *128 hash. This for MTN. Let me repeat it again for MTN. *312 *128 hash. This for MTN. So for those using Airtel, Airtel is *141 *61 hash. This is for Airtel. So if you're using Airtel, this is the code you're going to use to get your 10 gig for 1,000 naira. So thank you for watching this video to this extent. Kindly drop a thumbs up so that the algorithm will recommend the video to others who might need it, and also drop your comment. And there is one thing I'm going to tell you. You know, it is good to be honest with everybody. So I will tell you this thing. The fact is that this method of data purchase only lasts for 1 hour. So if you know, depending on what you're using it for, probably in 1 hour your phone might consume 10 gig of data. Probably. So thanks for watching. I just said let me just be honest with everyone, so that I will not be getting negative feedback in the comment section. So I guess this video helped. So if it helped, kindly share the video, drop a like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you're watching on Facebook, on YouTube. If you're watching on Facebook, follow me. If you're watching on TikTok, follow me also. So thank you. See your boy. Dream big, oh. Blue Lamborghini, that's one of my dreams. So you know your dream, chase it. See you guys in my next video. Bye. I do comment videos and entertainment videos. You can also go and check on them. Thanks for watching. Thanks for standing around. See you guys in my next video.